Today I am going to show you a short, simple and easy web page. So let's start. So starting web page, we need to put the crocodile sign. So crocodile sign will act like a bracket. Then we are going to put exclamation mark and then in capital letters we are going to type doctype HTML. We close it. You can do it capital or in small. Then the HTML, then the head, then the title, now we are going to give the title the name, so you can put any name. So I am going to put Introduction to HTML. Now you have to mirror image. So if we open the title in the last, then we have to close it in the first. So for closing it, we have to just put a slash. Title. Similarly, you have to close the head. Now we are going to start with the body. Now you can put anything about the topic or not. I am going to put Now we'll go into the next. Now we'll close the body. Then we are going to close the HTML. So now we'll save it. So in file, save as. Whatever name you want. And we are going to give the extension as .html. So we save it. And now to open it, we are going to open it. Double click on it and it will open in a search engine. So this is my short, easy and simple web page. Please share a web page at home. Thanks for watching my video. Till that time, bye bye.